Strongly bearish AMD stock is down 7.14% in the pre-market session of today, the 16th of April 2025. Yesterday, the 15th, they indicated that some of its CPUs for data centers will be made at TSMC's site in Arizona. The first time the chip makers' products will be made in the US. All of these comes hot on the heels of its rival NVIDIA saying it plans to build AI supercomputers in the US, but companies look to diversify their products away from Taiwan in the face of potential levies on chip imports. So AMD has been perpetually on a bearish trend for the best part of like forever. Um, we'll find out. Maybe we'll maybe be able to look back and see when it all began. But as things stand right now, this 4 hour chart, it seems to be if this is a loss of 7.15%, then it actually was more than this. It was actually more than that. It was actually more than 7.15. Or could it? Yeah, there's an indication it was more than. Let's see now. This is 16. Okay, yeah. This is 50. Okay, this is where. Let's see now. Yeah, this is yeah. There's an indication that it was actually more than that. So as things stand right now, we have there are some upper projections for a change. There's some upper projections and also downward projections we have here. What do we have? We have okay, 89.72, 90.45, and all the way towards 90.90. Yeah, 90.90. But there are down projections as well. We have it's 6.44, um, it's 6.89, and it's 7.61. Those are downward projections. Um, there's no indication. Okay, well, we have yes, according to things have just started to change. Even though there's an indication that some strength might come into the stock, but at the same time, it is cautionary. There's a caution that it may not hold. You can see the figures are changing. This tells us the slope of this 10 period moving average. So it's gradually inching up. It's gradually inching up. If the bigger the value, then the stronger the momentum. So, but the derivatives that you can see, the derivatives, all this at all, this blue line. This the measures that slope. And all these other ones are derived from it. So they're still negative, indicating that caution is still very much warranted. But this is a 4 hour chart. But however, the reason why we're looking at the 4 hour chart is because it gives us the data is always being updated apart from Sundays and maybe Saturdays. Yes, those are the 2 days it doesn't update. But with the daily chart, once the market closes, that's it. It doesn't give you any data, and you may want to have a look at things when the market is not open. Um, yeah. So we have indeed also there are down upper projections that are not in play. 93.96. Can we bank on that? We can. It's good to have a look at them because it also gives you it's in terms of probabilities. Probability of it printed 93.96 is also there because it came from there. And let's see. We can just really have a look. Let's see what the moving average is saying. Um, let's see what the moving average is saying at 93.96. Okay, we have it. We have 95.04. So there is an indication that for it to rebound to 93.95, 94, okay, 93.96, that probability is more than 50%, or right around 50%. But there's a broader market weakness that will still continue, may still prevail. This is its for some reason this is its 5 minute chart. Let's see. It's sorry, I'm looking at the yeah, this is the five. That was a 5 minute chart. Sorry, this is the 4 hour chart. Okay, here things are a bit different. We have downward projection here. We have what do we have here? We have here on the 4 hour chart a downward projection and nothing upwards, 85.84. But it's good we had a look at that 5 minute chart. It's still very much relevant. It's still very much relevant. We just saw that at 93.48, the probability of it printing that intraday is there. Is in there. Is there. But the point I was trying to make is that the broader market hasn't found a bottom yet. We're still going to print with, the whole of this year is probably gone. The whole of this is probably gone. Maybe this quarter there might be some, maybe an opportunity may come up to do a few things, but we haven't found a bottom yet, and AMD hasn't found one either. You know. So let's have a look at the daily chart and see what's going on. On the daily chart, we have, here, I think we may have some upper projections. We do. We have 97.65, 105.74, 110.73, and strength is projected to pick up till Friday the 9th of May. But at the same time, caution is pretty much very much, or rather very much warranted. There isn't a good case to buy AMD. There isn't any good case yet to buy it. So yes, there's a downward projection here. We have what's a downward projection, 80.60. Yeah. So just know what you're doing, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.